The Aston Martin DB12 is a luxurious coupe that excels as a long-distance cruiser with a sporty edge. Priced at £187,800, it offers a beautifully crafted interior and a more engaging drive than many of its grand tourer rivals. Under the hood, the DB12 features a reworked 4.0-liter V8 engine from Mercedes-AMG, delivering 671 brake horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The DB12 offers a thrilling drive with its precise steering and impressive grip, making it more agile than the Bentley Continental GT. Inside, the DB12 boasts a modern design with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The 16-way adjustable seats provide comfort, while the interior is adorned with hand-stitched leather and gloss black accents. Despite some visibility challenges, the cabin remains a luxurious space. Front passengers enjoy ample space, but rear seats are best for short trips or luggage. The 262-liter boot is adequate for a few carry-on suitcases, though less spacious than the Continental GTs. The DB12's running costs are high, with significant insurance and service expenses. Standard features include heated leather seats and adaptive cruise control. Safety features like automatic emergency braking and lane keep assist enhance peace of mind.